How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our multicolor K-Force linear full-size light bars. So we offer these units in our 36, 47, 55, and also our slimmer K-Force Micro 50. And all of these light bars will have the same features and functionality. So let's go over those features. So for demonstration purposes, I'll be using our K-Force 47. And when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables here. Now you'll notice a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional Supreme Control, or you can cut this off and hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your main power cables here, which I went ahead and ran to power. And then you'll have your aux line here, where you can hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Supreme Control. Now when it comes to our Supreme Control, we offer our standard Supreme Control box or our handheld Supreme Control box. Now today I'll be using our standard Supreme Control for example. So let's go ahead and get this light bar hooked up and go over the features. So I went ahead and hooked up our standard Supreme Control for demonstration purposes here, and that plugged in via connector. So on your standard Supreme Control, you have 3 slide positions here. So on your first slide position, that will activate the back of your light bar. The second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in its 360 mode. Now you'll notice I do have a multicolor unit here, so it is flashing back and forth between the primary color and secondary color ordered of my light bar. And for example, here is a red-blue unit. And you'll also notice that all of our multicolor full-size light bars come standard with 2 white takedowns, 2 alley lights, and a standard amber traffic advisor in the back. And you can easily access those off of your Supreme Control, which we'll go over in just a moment. Now all of our full-size light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, and you can cycle through those patterns using the pattern button on your Supreme Control. So I can go ahead and cycle to a pattern I'd like here in my 360 mode. And then another really cool feature is each slide position will have its own memory recall. So I can program a flash pattern here, I can go back to my front mode and program a pattern there, and then go back to my back mode and have a flash pattern programmed there as well. And then you'll notice you have memory recall on each slide position. So you'll see that's a really cool feature with our Supreme Control box. So here we have our takedown, alley, and cruise functions. Now you'll notice on my 4-corner cruise lights that those will go to steady burn in the secondary color ordered of my light bar. And then I have my standard clear, takedowns, and alleys here. Now we do offer a multicolor upgrade to where these will be the primary color ordered of your light bar, and then the secondary color will be clear. So when you're in warning mode, these modules will flash between the primary color ordered and clear, and then they will go to steady burn clear when you activate those functions. And then all of these modules will override the flashing functionality of your light bar, or they can operate independently as well. Now let's go over our traffic advising features. When it comes to the traffic advisor, you'll notice those modules will flash with your light bar whenever you don't have your traffic advisor activated. And then when you activate your traffic advisor, you have your center out, you have your left right, and then you have your right left modes here. And then you'll also notice that the traffic advisor overrides the flashing functionality. And then you also have independent power for your traffic advisor as well. And then your traffic advisor does come in standard amber, but we do offer a multicolor upgrade here to where you can get the primary and secondary colors ordered of your light bar, and the traffic advisor will match that. And then when you activate your traffic advisor, it will sweep between your primary and secondary colors as well. When it comes to our multicolor K-Force light bars, we offer amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor configurations. Or we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. Now for example here, I brought our amber clear in our dual color configuration, and a red, blue, amber in our tri-color configuration. And you'll notice the flashing is back and forth between the primary and secondary colors. And you'll notice both of my light bars are on different flash patterns here, but all of our light bars come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them. And you have the ability to run your primary color or your secondary color independently with the built-in flash patterns. So let's go over that feature. So built into the flash patterns, you'll have 4 patterns with your primary color. Now for example, on my red, blue, amber unit, my primary colors are red, blue, so I'll have 4 patterns here. And then after these 4 patterns, I'll have 4 patterns in my secondary color. And again, the secondary color on my red, blue, amber unit will be amber. So then I'll have 4 patterns in amber here. And then after these 4 patterns, you'll be back into your multicolor flash patterns. So the same concept applies here on my amber clear unit. So my primary color will be amber, so I'll have 4 patterns in amber. And then after these 4 flash patterns, I'll have 4 patterns in my secondary color. And again, my secondary color here will be clear, so then I'll have 4 patterns in clear. And then after these patterns, I'll be back into my multicolor flash patterns. And we do offer amber, red, blue, green, and clear in multicolor configurations. And if you need a custom setup, you can use our customization tool. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll also notice you'll have extra drainage holes for even additional moisture protection. And then you'll also see that you get your included light bar feet here, and these are adjustable along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then you'll see that you get your included universal gutter mount brackets, and then we also offer optional vehicle specific gutter mount brackets as well. And then finally, we offer our optional permanent stud mount brackets and our headache rack brackets. Now if you would like to go with those will replace your light bar feet using the existing hardware. So that covers our multicolor K-Force linear full-size light bars. Make sure to watch the flash pattern videos to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also check out our interactive players located on the product pages. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.